Hello and welcome to Polypack's virtual presentation for food products. My name is Nicholas Surf and I'll be one of your hosts for this session. I'm joined today by my colleague, Rich Gardner. How you doing, Rich?
I'm doing great. Thanks, Nicola. I hope everybody else is doing great too. This is our last presentation of Pack Expo Connects, and I think we have a great session for everybody. We're going to give you a really broad overview of some of our machinery. I'm actually going to present a high-speed can machine doing dual lane. And then I'm going to overview our jacket pack system, which is for high-speed carton stacking. So yeah, Nicola, what else do we have in store for everyone?
So I'll be touching base on a total closure application, as well as speaking about a corrugated tray and shrink wrap machine. So the format of this session, how it will work, will be 4 different videos. You'll hear our voices speaking during those videos. We're going to be telling you about the machines themselves, about Polypack, about general food applications. During these videos, feel free to send us any of your questions. We'll be sure to write them down and then answer them when we get back in the studio. So without further ado, why don't we go ahead and head on out there. You ready, Rich?
I'm ready. Is everybody else ready? Let's do it.
Polypack produces a wide range of total closure shrink wrap bundlers. Custom collation allows Polypack to create the perfect packaging configuration for your bundling needs. This video, for example, is taking single file rice bags and stacking them in vertical groups of 4. Polypack standard design modules allow different collation systems to be integrated seamlessly into our machines. These modules can be scaled up and down depending on the bundle size. A stainless steel forming head wraps the film around the product in a zero-waste process. The machine does not cut off and scrap any excess film. The design shown in this video happens to be an inverted forming head, the big benefit being that a conveyor can be used to drive the product with control through the forming head. Having positive control over the product is a design staple when it comes to our machine process flows.
All right, so here it is, our jacket pack system for cartons. So traditionally, these would be in an RSC case, but we decided to eliminate that and we created a jacket pack system, which puts a sleeve around them. So divided them single lane, put them into 3 lanes, and then we have an elevator, which actually lifts up and then pushes itself through a corrugated sleeve. Tremendous cost savings. Just think about eliminating the top and bottom portion of a case and the minimal amount of corrugate that's needed for that sleeve. But it pushes them through, and the goal is to make sure that those cartons are safe when they get to the store. They're not rubbed on, there's no damage on them, that way they look pretty, and they're not crushed. And that's the big thing, that's why there's that sleeve around it. We don't want any crushing when these get stacked and palletized, but we also want them to look good. So there's nobody touching this. Everything is glued. That sleeve's getting glued right now. And it's once it's glued and ready, there's plenty of time for it to be prepared so that it can be pushed through a film curtain with a front and back seal to make sure that they stay inside that sleeve. So once it goes through the heat tunnel, which it will right after that seal bar, the pack is going to be great. No dust on it, no rubbing on it. The carton's not coming out of that sleeve, and then it'll be stacked. So these look wonderful, nice and tight. And that's our jacket pack system. It's great for cartons, and it's a tremendous cost savings.
Our next video demonstrates one of Polypack's many corrugated solutions. For wraparound cases to trays to shelf-ready packaging, Polypack has it covered. The machine in this video is a continuous motion tray erector followed by a shrink wrapper. Polypack's continuous motion tray erectors can run at speeds up to 50 cycles per minute. For lines at speeds under 20 bundles per minute, an intermittent motion tray erector is also available. In addition to tray only, Polypack produces an all-in-one machine to run tray, loose products, and wraparound bundles all in the same machine using a smooth and efficient changeover system. If you'd like to learn more about this model, please let us know. Positive control over the product is incorporated in each step of the process as the bottle moves through the machine. A gate-controlled accumulation releases product to metered flight bars, which in turn carry the product to the tray blank that rides on a pitched lug system. Polypack's tray erector and shrink wrap solutions are available as inline combinations or offset. For this machine, the tray erector and shrink wrapper is built offset to accommodate the factory's layout. The shrink wrapper shown in this video uses a belt-to-belt transfer, passing through a shrink film curtain. This solution is perfect for trays and other applications that require a clear film dust cover. For projects that require printed film, Polypack manufactures a great overwrap shrink wrap bundler. We are happy to send you additional information on this solution as well.
So this is our Clearprint Tango model, which is one of our great machines for our food. It's running cans currently, but we can do other products. We can do carton or we can do tray, just customer driven. Automatically delivered to the machine, automatically released into the machine. This is actually releasing 12 cans at a time. They're spaced apart, and the machine's actually gonna do all the work here. Flight bar is traveling down, that's what we're seeing. It's moving faster than this conveyor. And as it's traveling down, it's actually gonna pull the product closer together to make a nice tight pack. So when it arrives at this overwrap station, they're close together. So it's doing dual lane right here, can do single lane. We're doing about 30 packs per lane, so 60 packs per minute on this machine, which is a great consistent speed, but we can go slower, you can go 30 packs per minute, or you can go all the way up to 120, which is phenomenal. We can do Clearprint or print register, that's what we're looking at right here. And there's no seal bar. You get a nice overwrap on the bottom of this, and it's transferring onto a heated chain and then through the tunnel, which does the welding of the film itself. And it's very consistent. We can see the nice open sections of this pack. So when it goes through, it'll have a nice circular bullseye. And that's really what you want. You want nice presentation, nice billboard, no wrinkle, consistent bullseye with your pack so that when it's on the shelf, it looks great. So this product is ready for palletizing. We can wrap it into a wraparound, or you can pick and place it into a case. It's just customer driven. So let's go ahead and take it back. Let's see if we have any questions about this machine or other capabilities of this machinery.